Welcome on board Chandra Shekhar Ghosh, the founder, MD and CEO at Bandhan Bank, joining in on the show right now to analyze their numbers. Mr. Ghosh, good morning. Congratulations firstly on a strong Q1. We saw strong profit and advances. However, margins have come down a bit in the first quarter. Walk us through the highlights.
If you see that my profit growth has come is a 45.44% year-on-year basis. So we see that the deposit growth has come 42.34% and advance growth has come 39.36%, which is aligned with my last times the last any quarter of that. So I have not seen anything. Only little bit a cost of fund has an increase 6.30 to 6.59, and if we like to include the equity, it is coming now 5.20. Earlier it was in a 4.84. So little bit a cost of fund has increased. You know that matter in the last quarter, and so that otherwise my operational cost ratio has come down from 3.60 has come to 3.38. I hope that the will be, and ROA has come 4.89%, which was earlier 4.23%. So I say that all parameters is coming in the very good and comfortable and the steady. And if you see that the cost to income ratio also has come down from 29.91% to 29.93, but similarly same on that. So I feel that the profit point of view and business growth point of view, and if you go to this NPA point of view, that is also streamlined on the same in the first quarter, which is have been see that because of the last quarter, which is means in the June. And that quarter is an election period, and some state also have the flood. If you say that the Odisha is a funny, after that also this the position of the profit and growth. I hope that this is a very good signal for the bank future also.
Sure. You did mention, Mr. Ghosh, about the rise in cost of deposits, and although deposit growth has been strong on a year-on-year basis, on a sequential basis is up a meager 1.5%. So why is that the deposit growth is muted, A? And at what level do you see the margin settling in for FY20?
So that if you come to the deposit growth in quarter-on-quarter, that is has come in a 1.09%. And always in the first quarter, little bit coming as a slow of all respect on that. So this is not comparable with the quarter of the closing of the year with the first quarter on that. First quarter, we are seeing that it is in normal other. Earlier, I also see that this is in trend, seen that the first quarter little bit slow, second quarter moderate, and third and fourth quarter it is going up.
So which are the segments that have led to this growth in Q1, and how do you see your overall advances growth given the tough environment?
If you see that my total portfolio, out of that 86% is a microcredit portfolio, and the balance is a 14% is a non-microcredit. So non-microcredit we are newly started after the opening of the bank. So one of the segment we found on that is if the microcredit customer, they are graduate and make a individual borrower to take the loan from bank, and this product we get given the name is a SCL, small enterprise loan. So we saw that the very good growth is coming in this segment, and it is in one area which we are the second we can say. Another point also is there who are microfinance institution, they are also getting the fund from the bank. So because our bank are experienced on the microfinance earlier also, so they know the all microfinance player in the country, and they are also bank are providing some credit to the microfinance institution. So that is also the good opportunities for us to credit growth will coming on that. These two are the big way. SME we are started little bit, but not that much is a part of the portfolio. And of course, these are the three segments we feel that in the future we can be like to continue this growth on that. And non-microcredit portfolio, that is a growth has come in the last the quarter, if you compare with the year-on-year basis, 27% growth has come non-microfinance portfolio in the bank.
Right. Now, further progress, can you just fill us in with the details on the Graha Finance merger? We believe the NCLT approval is still pending. When can we expect this to be completed?
So, Graha Finance, you know that our objective is to how we can be like to provide the affordable housing service to the country's citizen. So there's a very good opportunities we got on that. We taking over from the HDFC, and with their help also. And the regulator point of view, this is a long process, but we have been done, maximum process have been done. RBI, SEBI, CCI all done and that. Now we have need to the approval from NCLT Calcutta and NCLT and that is in Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad NCLT already done their shareholders meeting. That has been final meeting they have been done. And the Calcutta meeting have been given the time by NCLT on 30th July of this month. So I hope that after this too, there is not that much as a time taken on that. So when the NCLT will be give the final approval, I hope that we will be like to march very quick, because other thing we are already been prepared in ourselves on that. So I hope that we will be like to very soon can be declared in there when we will be like to merge, subject to NCLT approval.
Management in the previous quarter also mentioned about looking at offer for sale as an option. Is this something which is on the table? If so, what could be the timing?
I feel that this is a very strategic question. So my team is working very closely which option is very good for us, and accordingly we are processing on that. So we first like to complete the merger part, which can be helped to us to other point we can be work very seriously to complete it on that.
Thanks much for taking time out and joining in, giving us a view on the overall earnings gone by. So a slight increase in the